everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today, the final part of Practical 2, we'll explore startup repair and other important recovery tools available in Windows.
Quick Machine Recovery is an automated recovery utility that attempts to detect and fix startup related problems automatically. It checks essential boot files, startup services, and Windows configuration settings. System Restore allows administrators to revert the operating system to a previously stable restored point without affecting personal files. Command Prompt provides advanced troubleshooting capabilities. Tools like System File Checker and Check Disk help detect corrupted file systems and storage-related issues. In enterprise environment, these recovery tools are extremely important for minimizing downtime and restoring system quickly. Understanding boot troubleshooting is an essential skill for IT support, system administration, and cybersecurity professionals.
Thank you everyone for watching this Practical 2 boot troubleshooting series. In this practical, we covered the Windows boot process, Windows recovery environment, safe mode troubleshooting, startup repair, and recovery utilities. I hope this practical helped you understand how real world IT troubleshooting is performed safely and professionally. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical cybersecurity and IT content. Thank you.